How to use voice chat in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on your settings icon here at the top right, then go to settings. Once you're there, just simply go to audio. Now scroll down till you see the voice chat option. So make sure that the voice chat is turned on right here. After that, go to input device and make sure that the input device is the mic that you're currently using. So I'm currently using this mic, which is the SteelSeries Sonar. So I'm gonna pick that. And for the voice chat mode, make sure to set it to push to talk or open mic, depending on your preference. So push to talk, you will need to hold a hotkey or keybind to talk through your mic. But on open mic, you could just simply talk through your microphone without clicking on any buttons. So if you want to use push to talk, you could check the keybinds here on the keyboard section and go to communication. Now scroll down till you see the push to talk option. So you could change it if you want. So let's say I want to set it to letter N, just like that. Now if I want to say something on my mic, you need to simply click on the keybind that you've used. And for me, I've picked letter N, so you simply need to click on N, and I just need to talk through my mic, and it will basically work just like that. And you could also adjust your mic volume here at the audio section and your voice chat volume. And that's basically it.